Hey everyone, my name is Scott Barnes with Bold Life Proof Grooming, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how to get the best volume and style out of your nice new haircut. And before we get this video going, make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, that way you're getting the latest and greatest from Bold. Now, depending on if you are going to get your haircut or you're cutting it yourself, a couple things that we need to watch out for. One, we want to make sure our hair is thinned up. Now, depending on if you have thick or thin hair, thicker hair, yeah, let's get the thinning shears out. Let's clip up a little bit here and there, and that's gonna help out the volume and the style. But if you have thinner hair, that's actually gonna be an advantage for you in this video. Now, the second thing we want to do is also take a shower beforehand as we are styling it out. Now, today, I'm not gonna be using a hair dryer, but if you are having longer hair or if you have thicker hair that's gonna be a little wet, a little moist, we wanna pull that out and help us out with drying our hair. That'll help us style it out. But today, I just took a shower. We're still a little wet in here, but we can just go ahead and take a towel. Just go ahead and dry it all off. And we want to get it to about 80% dry, 85% dry, and we're good to go. Now, with the crew cuts that everybody has, all the guys are going on right now, depending on how you want your front layover to go, the radius of your barrel brush is going to determine the actual wave that's going to go across. Now, for me, I like more of a robust high wave. But if you want something more classic and you want to bring it down, that's what we're going to bring these two out. So the smaller one is actually going to be more of a curve on your hairstyle versus if you have a thicker or a bigger radius barrel, it's actually going to make it longer and easier to style. So it's just like with your beard. I prefer a thicker and a wider radius on your barrel, so that way when you're pulling out your beard, it's actually going to make it a lot straighter. It's going to make it a lot neater and nicer. And the smaller barrel is going to give you more of a style and more of a wave. Even with your beard, it's going to help you out curving that beard out or in. So with the smaller one, we don't want to roll as much, okay? And I'll show you guys that right now. So once again, the hair is about 85 to 90% dry. Go ahead and get your favorite pomade out. Get about a dime to a quarter size amount of pomade. We're gonna go ahead and roll it into the hands, just right all into the digits. And then I like to work my way from the back to the front and going from side to side, all right? And then once we get from the side to side, then we can go ahead and push it into the hair. That way all the hair is covered with pomade. Okay, now that my hair is all covered with wax, pomade, whatever gel that you're wanting to use, this is where the barrel brush is going to help you out. Now we're gonna do two kinds, okay? We're gonna start with the small, and then we're gonna go into the bigger radius barrel. Now for the back, I'm just gonna go ahead and slowly turn the barrel as I comb over. I don't wanna roll it fast, I don't need to. Just pretty much comb it over in the back. Now, when we move to the front, what I like to do is I'll hold the other side because it's a little smaller, and then I'm gonna roll up very slowly, and then we're gonna curve it to the side, and same on the other side. Now, if I need to fix, I'll come to the other side, I'll bring it up. We don't want to curl too much, and we're just gonna let it naturally hang over. If you want it more curved, go ahead and spin it, and then you'll get a bigger curve to the side, okay? So that's the benefit of the smaller barrel. You're gonna have a better wave on the top of your hair as you're pulling it over, and you're gonna have a slicker and finer crew cut. Now, on the flip side, if you want to use a bigger radius barrel, so this is gonna actually help me extend my hair and the length of it, and see how it pulls it up, and then I can bring it up and style it to the side. So this is gonna give you more volume, and this is gonna give you more of a straighter style into your hair. So it just depends on what you're looking for when it comes to the style, but these barrels play a big role not only into your hair, but your beard. And what I like to do with the small one is I'll actually start blending in the side of the wave into the side of my hair, and then everything blends well. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, go ahead and grab a little more pomade, and we're gonna do a little bit of the same process. We're gonna go from the back, but I'm gonna hit the side of the hair because I like this side to go down a little bit. It gives it some contrast as the other part of my hair goes up. But remember, when we do comb our hair, that comb is gonna actually take a little bit of that product out. So it's always good just to kind of reapply, put some a little bit more in, and then this gives it a little bit of texture too. So there's a little bit of work here that can be done with the comb in your hands, because sometimes it's nice to have everything. I always get made fun of because it's like freaking perfect with the comb, right? But when you pull out the hands just a little bit and give it some texture, it looks a little more natural. So this is a fun and easy tip that anybody can do, but remember, your tools play a big role into the outcome of your style. So if it's your beard, if it's your hair, you want to give your best effort to find the best either products or tools to bring out that look and style. And don't be afraid to try new things. I think that's the biggest, most imperative thing for you guys to do is, just get a little bit out of your comfort zone, try new things, and you will be surprised how easy it is to acclimate and to adhere to that new style. So just like recently, I cut my hair up, I did everything, and I didn't touch the top of the hair. I just clipped everything to the side, I lined up everything, and it's actually been one of my favorite looks. And depending on what kind of tools you like, this one, for example, this is a great game changer. I've done videos about this before, about how this just is such a necessity when it comes to your style. Bolt carries these, so definitely go down to the link in the description. Bolt will have them there, go to their store, make sure you support them. And like always, you guys, thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.